In today's video, I am going to teach you how to sync Notion with Apple Calendar. To get started, open Notion and go to the page where you want to set up calendar syncing. In this example, it is the Getting Started page inside Notion. The exact page does not matter as long as you are signed in and can access your workspace settings. Once you are in Notion, look over to the left side of the window where your main navigation is. Find and click the option called Settings. This is where Notion stores all of the account and workspace options, including connections to services like calendars. After you open Settings, scroll or look through the settings categories until you see Mail and Calendar. Click Mail and Calendar to open the section that manages calendar integrations. This is the area that allows Notion to connect to supported calendar providers so events can be brought into your Notion setup. Inside Mail and Calendar, find the option that says Add Calendar. Click Add Calendar. When you do this, Notion will show you different ways to connect a calendar account. Since we are syncing with Apple Calendar, you will use iCloud because Apple Calendar uses iCloud to manage and sync calendar data across devices. Now click Continue with iCloud. At this point, Notion will begin the connection process. Depending on your device and your Apple account settings, you may be asked to sign into iCloud and approve permissions. Make sure you are using the same iCloud account that your Apple Calendar uses on your iPhone, iPad, or Mac. If you have multiple iCloud accounts, choosing the correct one is important. Otherwise, you may not see the calendar you expect. Once you complete the iCloud connection, give it a moment to finish syncing. If you do not see changes right away, stay in the Mail and Calendar area for a few seconds, or close and reopen the settings panel. Also confirm that iCloud calendar syncing is enabled on your Apple device because Notion can only sync what iCloud is actively syncing. After that, your Notion account should be connected to your Apple Calendar through iCloud, and you are ready to use the integration as intended. And that is all there is to it.